Hi, and welcome to FBerg's CRM video on the topic of how to optimize your inbound marketing results through a Zoho behavioral marketing strategy. By virtue of their nature, humans don't like parting with their money. It's therefore been a bumpy ride for marketers whose job it is to ensure that people do this same thing they dislike. A lot of efforts and resources have gone down the drain in the attempt to say the right words that will convince potential clients. Another challenge that's even more greater is finding the ideal prospects for products or services. As a marketer, how do you ensure you're not advertising baby formula to a teenager? How do you prevent your ad that was perfectly crafted to encourage the purchase of land from landing on the laps of a man that owes rent? In the past, marketers had no option than to just shoot all their advertising efforts in the air hoping it will hit someone at least. This is, however, not effective because as humans, our desires vary with time, financial status, and other socioeconomic situations. With the introduction of behavioral marketing, this trend is rapidly changing. Advertisements are now being launched on the pad of data gathering and data processing innovations to target potential customers. This ensures only those that need a particular product or services get to see advertisements about it. What is behavioral marketing? Behavioral marketing is also known as behavioral targeting, and it involves all mechanisms that ensure leads get ads that have been tailored to suit their preference. Most of these mechanisms include web analytics, cookies, IP address collectors, and search history registers. They're used to create a digital identity for each person. Equipped with these tools, companies are able to serve their audience with information, adverts, and announcements that are relevant to each person rather than a generalized message. A study by Network Advertising Initiative revealed that targeted ads deliver 2.7 times more in revenue per ad than non-targeted ads. There are other researches out there that support the effectiveness of behavioral marketing. However, a study by Razorfish has shown that 76% of marketers are failing to use this powerful tool. Let's talk about the components of a behavioral marketing strategy. Specifically, let's talk about marketing automation. With the emergence of the big data era came a need for innovations that can effectively manage the large volume of data generated by online users. Unsurprising, because as they say, necessity is the mother of invention. It became imperative to recruit machines and AI to process and extract meaningful information with the right context about generated user data. The use of automated tools has also been stretched in recent times to cover the execution of repetitive tasks such as social media posts and email newsletters. This has been shown to be a more productive approach to behavioral marketing because it relieves marketing personnel of the burden of trying to be omnipresent in every step of the buyer's journey in the name of nurturing. Marketing automation tools also help in organizing workspaces. Rather than having disjointed data sets that capture different aspects of a user's profile, automation can help harmonize these data sets into a system of cog wheels. This allows you to create a bigger narrative and also execute a more holistic approach to marketing. Let's talk about behavioral marketing segmentation, an important part of your overall Zoho behavioral marketing strategy. A good point to always remember as you formulate your behavioral marketing strategy is to ensure that relevant messages are delivered to leads. After you've gathered data, it's important to sort them according to company preferences and goals. This is what is called segmentation. A rule of thumb is that the narrower the segmentation, the higher the opportunity to create personalized messages and thus convert a higher percentage of your leads. There are lots of factors you can consider when segmenting leads. They include geolocation. Every device that accesses the internet has a unique identity called the IP address. With this address, companies can track the location of a user and use this data to generate ads specific to that region. Other examples of geolocation in behavioral marketing include using geofencing and beacons at strategic locations to send push notifications about locally available products and services. Website visitor data. Company websites are analogous to the physical shop or office, as they're the contact point between a brand and its prospective customer. It can easily be inferred that a user that is revisiting a company's website clearly has needs that should be satisfied. Thus, you could deploy data analytics to identify such visitors and create ads targeted at them with improved offers to encourage a purchase. Benefits sought. This type of segmentation comes in handy for brands that produce different varieties of the same product. Take, for instance, while some might want a whitening toothpaste, others might want to purchase a toothpaste simply for health reasons. While these two groups might share demographic metrics, as well as be in the location, the value that each group craves is totally distinct. Purchasing habits like this can be used to tailor ads such that some group receives a basic offer while others get a premium offer. Transactional data. You can harness this kind of data to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. If you nurture a lead and successfully convert them to a paying customer, they're likely going to make another purchase, especially if they are satisfied with the product. Thus, you can use data about the type of purchase and frequency to suggest other products that they will find beneficial or ones that complement the product they already purchased. An example is Amazon suggesting similar books or other books in the same series when you buy a book from their bookstore. Engagement level. Data that quantifies the level of engagement are very critical in understanding the stage a potential customer is in the buyer's journey. Such data help to understand how invested a user has become in your brand. This can help you send offers that are centered around a particular stage of the buyer's journey. Occasion. Events usually have a big influence on the purchasing choice of people. This can be personal events such as weddings and birthdays, or general occasions such as Valentine's Day and Christmas. To meet up with the requirements of these events, consumers are usually compelled to make purchases along a specific line. This data can be used to encourage purchase and boost sales. In conclusion, navigating the terrains of user data management can be very technical, not to mention the ethical issues it could come with. To make the most of your efforts, you'll need marketing tools that will help you manage data generated effectively while aligning marketing strategy with your business goals. An example of such a tool is Zoho Marketing Automation. Want to learn more about how to use marketing behavior metrics to optimize your inbound marketing results? Reach out to our team of marketing gurus here at FBerg CRM. You can visit www.fbergcrm.com, call us at 540-3606-256, or send an email to zohonow@fbergcrm.